Wait for your YouTube channel to get monetized, try and create a product you can sell on Amazon, come up with something out of thin air that you can sell online and hope that it works. These are all things that you're probably thinking about if you're wanting to make money this year. And I get it because I have been in your shoes. I remember when I was first starting my business and it was so overwhelming and I was trying to figure out how exactly does one make money online? So I feel like I've kind of tried everything, to be totally honest with you. I have revenue streams kind of all over the board and I actually made a video on it right here and you can check that out on all of my different revenue streams. But because I've tried so many things, I really do know what is the easiest when it comes to making money, especially in the beginning, especially if you're starting from zero, especially if you're brand new to all of this. So I wanted to break it down for you today because I kind of wish somebody told me and I didn't have to spend so much time just trying to figure things out on my own. So if you're excited about this, hit that like button. You know you want to. I'm judging you if you don't, to be honest. I also judge you if you haven't subscribed yet, because it's quite rude. So subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, to get notifications every single time I post a new video. And yeah, I'm super excited to dive into this. So the easiest way to make money online, I want you to think about the fact that you can actually monetize your YouTube channel, your blog, your other platforms before you're technically monetized, because we all know we have to wait a little bit before we're monetized on YouTube, and that can feel like forever. So how can you start making money without actually being monetized on YouTube? Well, it's pretty simple. So the best way in the beginning, and this is something that I actually did in the very beginning of my channel, as I was trying to figure out what exactly I would sell for myself, is I would have my content. So that for me would be a YouTube video, but it can also be things like blogs, it can be Instagram posts, it could be a Facebook post, it could be any kind of content that you're posting online, and your content leads people to a product or a service. Why am I not spelling right today? A product or a service. And then when you lead people there, it turns into a sale. Now here's the interesting thing that happens, but also the really important thing that happens is that this content has to be hyper relevant to whatever product you're trying to sell. So I have a lot of examples on my channel of where I'm talking about things, and then I link to products that I'm an affiliate for, which we'll talk about in a second. And that's how I'm generating affiliate income and revenue, but they have to be hyper relevant. i.e., I did a video recently on my camera setup and my new equipment in my office. And so of course, if people are looking for that video, watching that video, they want to invest in the equipment for themselves. So I put links below that video to all of my equipment, and those are affiliate links. So if someone goes and buys those products, I'm gonna get a percentage of that sale. So it's just complete passive income. So the cool thing with this is that, one, of course the content has to be relevant to the product you're selling. You can't have a piece of content on dog leashes and be selling a product for cats. Like, that just doesn't work. So, but what happens is that the more people who watch this or read this, if it's a blog or a YouTube video, etc., the more products you sell, the more money you make. So it's like this snowball effect of momentum that builds as your content starts to generate more traffic. And that's the cool thing about using something like YouTube or a blog, because they tend to bring in this evergreen traffic. Pinterest does the same thing as well. Pinterest is a great option for this. So any platform that's going to continue to bring in traffic for a long time, as opposed to the platforms that if you post, let's say you post to Instagram on your feed, that kind of dies down and the traffic kind of stops and kind of tapers out after a couple of days. So you want to continue getting that traffic in. On YouTube, you're able to do that, same with the blog. So the more traffic you get for your content, the more product you're going to sell and the more money you're going to make. And the great thing is, this isn't your product. You're not having to build it. You're not having to create it. That's why it's the easiest way to make money online. Now, when it comes to selling products, again, it has to be something that you actually believe in and actually find to be relevant to you. So you can't be talking about things that you don't have experience in, because I just think that's unethical. So you should only really be promoting things that you've used, that you believe in, and that you actually would want to tell your friends and your family about, because you are my friends and my family, and I wouldn't want you to invest in something or buy something that I didn't try myself and I didn't truly believe in. So that's kind of a golden rule of generating passive income and creating affiliate income for you in your business. So I talk about things like Flick, which I use for Instagram research when I'm doing like hashtag strategies, etc. They're awesome. I mention them a lot and I use them myself on a very regular basis, so I have no problem promoting them, and they are an affiliate for me. I also talk about TubeBuddy. And so if anyone enrolls through my link in TubeBuddy, they're gonna be able to use it in the same way that I do on a daily basis. So anything that I use, whether it's a tool, a product, a service, etc., equipment, think about in your own life, what are some things that you're currently using in your business, in your day-to-day life, and your hobbies that you could create content about to eventually sell a product for, that you could be generating passive income. And again, it's not something that you have to create because that takes time. So there's a couple of places that you can go to start kind of navigating through this whole world. Obviously, Amazon Affiliates program is awesome, and that's basically my go-to, my number one, but there's also something called ClickBank, and it's what I started researching when I first was starting my business way back. They have a whole bunch of products on there that you can be an affiliate for, and it's really easy to use. And no, I'm not an affiliate for them, so but you can check it out. It's something that I used to use back in the day. I don't use it anymore, to be totally honest with you, so I don't know how powerful it is at this point, but just some resources to take a look at. So ClickBank, and then of course Amazon Affiliates as well. I think it's called Amazon Associates maybe too, but so Amazon is the first thing, is where you can go and look at products, and it's so easy because how many of us actually use Amazon to buy things? A lot of the things that you buy could be perfect to become an affiliate for. So Amazon is the first thing. The next way to make money online that is very easy is called JVs, so joint ventures. So I did over $100,000 in revenue last year just in joint ventures in my business. So it wasn't the majority of our income in our business, but obviously that's amazing and a great way to earn revenue and have a different revenue stream. So I was selling programs and products that I believed in from other people. And so how that works is you basically have a list. So you have your email list or social following, but basically just, this has to be an audience. You have to have an audience of some kind that would be beneficial to the affiliate partner's product. So say somebody's selling a course on, I don't know why I keep coming back to dogs, but let's say somebody's selling a course on how to walk your dog. So strange, but people have courses on this. And you have an email list of dog owners and of people who would be highly interested in that offer. You then send your email list, so that's traffic, to this person's program. So you're selling somebody else's program and you are getting a percentage of that program. So you get affiliate income because you're selling a program and a product that is highly relevant to your audience and a product and program that you actually believe in. Now this also works in reverse. So if you decide you want to create a course on something that's super high in demand, but you have no audience right now, you can then go and approach other people with a small, medium-sized audience and say, hey, I'll give you a cut of all of my sales if you help me promote this. That helps you build brand awareness for what you're doing. It also generates income for them and income for you. So it's a great way to kick off your course businesses by partnering with other people to get them to sell your program, because it could be very complementary to what they are selling. So let's say this person is selling how to walk your dog course, I don't know, and you are selling how to groom your dog course. Perfectly complementary, same audience, so it can flip back and forth. So those are the easiest ways to make money online and a great starter place, but honestly, the most profitable way to make money online today is by monetizing your knowledge. And I talk about this a lot because I have built a very successful online course business over the last couple of years. Quick interruption for an important announcement. If you want the proven system to fast track your growth on YouTube that has been used by thousands of creators around the world, like Sue, who grew from 0 to 1,600 subscribers in 3 months, or Karen, whose Spanish hairstyling channel had a 360% increase in watch time, or Heather, who hit 50,000 subscribers, register for the free masterclass and join the club at bossYouTubeStrategy.com. Back to the video. And it's an amazing way to build an impact as well, because you're not having to work with people and trade time for dollars, but you're able to impact people all around the world. In my first year of developing online courses, I had hundreds and hundreds of people enroll in my courses from Europe, Africa, all over the world, and learn from me. But if you thought about me doing that in real world terms and working with them one-on-one, it would have been really challenging. Time differences and just coordinating schedules and all of that kind of stuff. So instead, I'm able to support and help all these people globally and scale my business a lot faster and create a much more massive impact because I'm not having to trade my time for dollars. So if you want to create an online course and that's something that you're really interested in doing, you definitely want to check out this video on how to create your online course and actually sell it, which is really, really valuable. So check that video out next. And we've got lots of other videos on this channel that will be helpful in building your business and also creating more passive income. So make sure that you check out these videos next. Give this video a like if you liked it. Be sure to hit subscribe and the bell to be notified every single time I post a new video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.